Hey everyone, Dan Baird here. You know, one of the things that can sometimes frankly suck about writing a research paper is getting that Works Cited page just correct. You're going to find out when you go to college that some teachers will take off points if you get the smallest little thing wrong with that Works Cited page. And it can be very confusing with all these different styles of creating that Works Cited page. You have MOA, APA, Chicago style, and every single one of them is different. For example, do I capitalize every major word in this particular title? Well, in MOA you do, in APA you don't. Does period come before the quotation marks? Where do I use parentheses? Should I include the entire URL of a website? Should I not? If there is no author, do I put in the company's information that is behind the website? All that information can be very, very confusing, and again, in college you're going to find some teachers who will take off points for every little thing. Luckily for you, in the 21st century, there are many tools out there to help you out with this whole process, so let's go ahead and take a look at one of them.
One of the better and free websites that will help you make your Works Cited page is called Citation Machine. The URL is citationmachine.net. Although it is free, they will show advertisements on their website, but that's to be expected because they are trying to make money. The first thing that the website will ask you to do is to choose the style that you would like for your Works Cited page. Now, sometimes the Works Cited page is called a reference page. It ultimately depends upon which style you are using for your research paper. In this example, we're going to choose a style called MLA, which stands for Modern Language Association. The other one, by the way, is APA, which stands for American Psychological Association. There's also Chicago style, but if you are using one of the more obscure styles, click on More, and then you can search for the specific style that you are required to use. And if you notice, there are many other styles. But going back to this, I will click on MLA for Modern Language Association, and then I choose type of source for which I would like to develop a citation entry. You can see some general options here like book, magazine, newspaper, website, journal, film, other. I'm going to choose website, and the first thing it asks is to find a website by the URL or keyword. For this example, I've already found a website that I want to use. It's a government website, which you can tell by the suffix .gov, and this government website, which is the Centers for Disease Control, is offering information regarding prescription opioids. Since opioid addiction is one of the major problems facing the world, on the Citation Machine website, they are asking for the website's URL, so I will left-click on the URL, right-click, copy it, go back to the Citation Machine, click on the field, right-click, and paste. And then I will click on Search Websites. Running that search pulls up the website that they found, and since URLs match, that is the one I would like to make a citation for. So I will go ahead and click on the Select tab right next to the source. The website found a lot of useful information. They have the URL, the website title, the article title, the date published, the date accessed. They could not find the publisher or the sponsor. There's a notation down here which indicates that they may not have all the information needed to create the citation. It also indicates for the user to go to the next page to fill in any empty fields. So we will go ahead and click on the tab that says Final Step. We will go back to the article to determine whether or not there were any contributors, which could be an author, editor, or translator. Looking at the website and scrolling down, I don't see any particular author. The source of this information is the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Going back to Citation Machine, since there is no specific author, I will leave this field blank. I will double check all the other information, like the website title, publisher, URL, and the electronic publication date all look good. And if I'm happy with all of these fields, I click on the tab that says Create Citation. This right here is a citation that I would then use on the Works Cited page of my research paper. Notice in this box below the citation that the bibliography is not saved. In order to save your work, you have to upgrade to premium membership. Notice that in order to have an account, you must pay a fee of $10 per month. However, that doesn't prevent you from still using citationmachine.net to help you with creating your Works Cited or bibliography citations, as well as helping you with your parenthetical citations. They also give you options to save your work, download it to Microsoft Word. You can also switch your format or add another citation to your bibliography. If you click on the link that says parenthetical, it will open up new fields to help you create the parenthetical citation that you can use in the actual research paper. In this particular example, there are no contributors, but there is a title, a year, no page numbers. So at this point, within the research paper itself, you could use this text that was auto-generated within your actual research paper.
Thank you for watching this edition of Classroom Digital Tools. Always remember, Classroom Digital Tools will be here to help you all throughout your educational life, whether you are a student or a teacher. Go ahead right away and hit that big red button that says subscribe. You can find a link for that red button in the bottom right of this video. Also, if you go to the channel's homepage, you can find that big red subscribe button. Next to it is a bell icon. Click that bell icon so that way you'll be notified every time a new video is released on this channel. After doing that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for many other exciting videos, not only on Classroom Digital Tools, but also my other YouTube channel, Travel Odysseys. Remember, education can help make your dreams come true, but it's not only education, but also perseverance and grit. These two attributes will help you to get through the challenges that life will throw in your path. So, thank you again for your support. Please keep watching, and you have a great day.